to Music Monday. Today we are going to play and create rhythms. First, let us review some notes that we may know from class. Here we have a quarter note which gets one beat of sound. When we clap a quarter note, we clap once and we say ta, ta. Next we have two eighth notes. Together they get two sounds, but they only get one beat. If we were to break them in half, they would each get half of a beat. When we clap two eighth notes, we clap twice and we say ti-ti, ti-ti. Another note you may know is our 4/16 notes. They get four sounds in one beat. So when we clap this note, you're going to clap 4 times and you're going to say tika tika, tika tika. Try it again, tika tika. You may have noticed that the tika tika, or the 4/16 notes, is faster when we clap it than the ti-ti, the eighth note, or the ta, the quarter note. This is because instead of having one beat, one solid beat, we are breaking that beat up into a smaller division. So when we have eighth notes, we're taking that beat and we're going to break it in half. And when we have 16th notes, we're taking this beat and we're breaking it into 4 equal parts. Now that we have reviewed our notes, I have a challenge for you. I want you to create a 4-beat rhythm using items from around your house. Now don't worry, I'll show you exactly what I'm talking about. First, you will need to find 4 items. First, you will need to find items that have either 1, 2, or 4 syllables in their name. Once you have your items, you will choose 4 of those items to create a rhythm. You will use those 4 items and lay them out into a line to create our 4-beat rhythmic pattern. Today, I have 4 items of my own. For my 4 items, I have pickles, a cup, marinara, and peanut butter. Now, peanut butter, it gets 4 syllables. The same thing with marinara, marinara. It also gets 4 syllables. So these 2 things are going to be my 16th notes today. Cup gets 1 syllable, so it's going to represent our quarter note. And pickles has 2 syllables, so it's going to represent our 8th notes. Now I'm going to go get a table and I'm going to have it set up so that way I can line up my items. Okay, so here are my items lined up. I have peanut butter, pickles, marinara, and my cup, okay? So here is my beat. Remember, this one gets 4, 2, 4, and then 1. It would sound like this. Peanut butter, pickles, marinara, cup. 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 Now I'm going to rearrange them and come up with a new pattern. Alright, here's my new pattern. Cup, peanut butter, marinara, and pickles. So here is my beat. Make sure when you're tapping your beat that it is a steady beat. Cup, peanut butter, marinara, pickles. 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 Now I'm going to rearrange them one more time. Okay, here's my last pattern. see if you can say it with me. Peanut butter pickles cup, marinara. 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 Great job! Now what I want you to do is I want you to create a rhythm using your household items, and I want you to lay them out in a line just like I did, and you're going to place them into your pattern, and you're going to clap them, you're going to say them, and I also want you to see if you can write the notes. So if it's a 1 syllable, you're going to draw a quarter note on a paper, or if you have little post-it notes or anything like that, okay? So 1 syllable is a quarter note, 2 syllable is 1/8 notes, and 4 syllables is our 16th notes. Once you have your pattern and you have your pattern drawn out, the notes drawn out, I want you to snap a picture of it and you can send it to me. I would love to see your guys' creations. Now, another thing that you could do at home is you could practice reading your rhythms. Have someone at home set out a pattern for you and you read it for them. Have them mix up your items, or maybe they can get their own items and mix those up and see if you can figure out their pattern that they have created. Since we have been reading rhythms, I think it's only fair if we do jam out to a song. So today's song is going to be Stressed Out by 21 Pilots. Now remember, our notes are going to pop up here for us so we can see them. And I need you to pause your video and go and grab your drum and your drumsticks. It doesn't have to be the same one that you used last time. You can choose another instrument. But as long as it's some kind of percussion instrument that you can play, okay?
Wish I didn't have to rhyme every time I sang. I was told when I get older all my fears would shrink, but now I'm insecure and I care what people think. Very nice and
Thank you guys for joining me on our Music Monday. I had a wonderful time and I hope you did too. I look forward to seeing you next week. Bye!